It tastes like cigarettes.
Hi, what's up everyone? It's Jacksonwang. Kidding. I'm ISSAC YIU. Hey, what's up everyone? If you're new, my name is Isaac. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Everyone is looking for Jacksonwang new style, right? So, as a professional hairdresser, it's time to show you guys how to do the new Jacksonwang hairstyle. 好，王嘉爾髮型，即刻開始。If you get the 2-block cut, which means you will easy to get the Jacksonwang hairstyle. You think Jacksonwang hairstyle is just like that?
Of course, no!
No way! This is not the same thing, oh my gosh. It is different, you know. Huh? We need hairstyling too. Let's go. Just like that. So now we go to find the hair parting. Of course, you need hair wax. Then apply some hair wax. Just apply on the wet hair. Still maintain the hair parting. You need straight iron. Start it from the parting. We need some volume on the hair parting. So I put the temperature between 190 to 180. You do like that. And for the ends, we do the flake out C curl. We need some volume on the hair parting. Do the flake out C curl. It is kind of like the S curl pattern. Just stay for 3 to 5 seconds. That will be great. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Can you see that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Like the S pattern. The pattern is not strong enough, just do again.
What happened?
I think this hairstyle looks so cool when I whipped out the sunglasses too. The curl is curl enough, just apply the hairspray.
It tastes like cigarettes.
So when you put on the sunglasses on the head, you need to use the fingertips to do some texture and the movement for the ends. Yeah, if you feel a little bit crazy, you can just put like that. Hope you guys love this new Jacksonwang style. If you love this video, just give me a big thumbs up and subscribe my YouTube channel, hit on the bell and you never miss my new videos. Your support is really important. Just share my videos to your friends and family. Let my videos just save everyone in the world. And I will be really happy to see you guys on my Instagram. My Instagram is here. Alright, if you guys looking for online class, 咁希望大家中意呢條影片啊！咁我哋下個影片再見。See you guys on my next videos. Have a nice day. Peace. 中意就記得俾個讚 ，share 俾你啲朋友睇啦〜